Sometimes the best trade you can take is take no trade at all. That urge of being in the market, fear of losing the move, slowly decreases as you get more confident on not taking those trades. Does it mean that there are no trades in the market? There are trades in the market. You can find long and short orders, but it's a little bit difficult in the weekend. Usually market maker finishes his duty from Monday to Friday and let retail do their thing, where the market maker comes back on Monday and reverses the price. This has already happened before, where we can get a green candle on Friday and Saturday, Sunday the price will consolidate, where traders can get in thinking and expecting or assuming the move could be towards the upside, and the market maker shows up on Monday around US New York time zone and reverses the price. For the short trades which we took in our last video, if you are still having those trades on and you are still running those trades, then congratulations on the gains. I actually already closed my short and I am looking for long orders at this moment. I like to close my positions at the strength. For example, if we have an impulsive move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would close my position at 3, assuming this could be an ABC as well. So I would be waiting for 4, 5 and might not be getting that move at all. There are a few scenarios I see at the moment for the long orders. We could be bouncing from the last local bottom we have at this moment because we have already swept the liquidity. And there are also some more lower levels where we can sweep the liquidity and also can sweep the February low as well. Let's get into the chart. I will show you some scenarios and I will show you where we can get into long orders and where could be the market maker setting the next trap. So in our last analysis, if you guys remember, I was talking about this ABC structure here, getting near to 0.786. Getting to this 0.786 and even 1-to-1 around 73,340. I was also talking about 73,500, where we could initiate another short here, so we could ride all this wave towards the downside. But what I don't like in this ABC is this was already a truncated ABC. The C wave was not hit to 0.786, neither 1-to-1. And this made me actually analyze this as the wave 4 was finishing here and we are in a larger wave 5. But I also don't like this count because if you see, wave 4 is much more extended than wave 2. Wave 2 looks very tiny compared to this wave 4. So I still prefer this to be the original analysis of wave 4 and wave 5 was finished around this region. Because it doesn't matter how we count this ABC is already truncated. And if we can count this wave 4 here, anyway we're going to get wave 5 towards the downside. So let's keep this one here. And when we maximize around this area, we still see an impulsive move towards the downside. And I count this as impulsive move as 1, 2, we could be done here, 3, correction here, 4, and we have another 1, 2 structure here, 3, 4, 5, probably towards the downside. So this could be playing out, or we could be in a larger 3 extended move towards a 4, and then one more leg towards the downside, 5. Does not matter how you count it, it looks like an zigzag correction, which is begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive correction and then an ABC and then followed by a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does not matter if we have to put this wave 4 here and then count it as wave 5, or we can still keep the original count as wave 4 here because the target would be anyway this impulsive wave towards the downside. So let's zoom in this structure here and see and find out what we can read in this chart. I don't see this wave 3 as a bottom because usually when it's bottom, the volume here should be spiked very high, even higher than this high here. But we are not getting this at this region. So that means this is not the final bottom. And also the bounce what we got here is also corrective. It's not impulsive at all. So we will have to zoom in into this structure here to understand what we can do, or maybe we can find another short order. It seems like
the push towards the upside is disappearing. I mean, it's getting weaker at this moment, and I'm seeing that probably we will move down Sunday and Monday, maybe even beginning of Tuesday. Let's say if this 3 was finished here and this was 4, probably a 5. But the 5 doesn't seem like finished because there are internal waves here, and I only can count 1, 2, 3, and this is entire this move up as a 4. So we have one more low if we count this 3 finished here. Proportionally, it doesn't look good because 2 and wave 4 looks similar in size. So usually wave 4 is slightly more longer than wave 2. So I still believe the idea being this 4 to be in here. We will have to use the fib extension here or fib levels to understand if the wave 4 has already hit the top. So these are the fib levels where wave 4 can retrace, and we have already hit 0.236, and we can even move down from here because the minimum is 0.236 and it's already been hit. But considering this wave 2 here being so shallow, so small, I think I'm actually expecting this to hit slightly up here, 0.382. And it also can go above a little bit, 0.5 or even 0.618, because the wave 4 cannot meet the point of wave 1. So we are still in that territory and this is still valid. But the look of this move up looks corrective and there is no impulse in this. Wave 4 is usually corrective and it's not impulsive. So we will get a multiple ABC, probably a WXY structure here. And we will have to see, since today is Saturday, Sunday, I mean it's a weekend, so the volume would not be so high. We can see here the volume is so low and the price keep churning towards the upside. So we can expect this to be a finished wave here for wave 4, or we could get another move up and another ABC as a WXY to 0.382, and then we can find another wave towards the downside. So this is also proving my title of the video that I'm out. I'm not in any trades at this moment because this price action not showing me, I mean definitely this is not showing me to long here, but yes, it demands a short here, but we could short at this region, or even we will wait for this price to come up a little bit more higher, 0.382, and then we can short this level. And if we can get a little bit more up here, that would be another few orders to get in to a short. I am not in any trade at this moment, but if you guys are still thinking that you want to be in the trade, then my first entry would be around this 0.382, and the second entry would be around this 0.5 pips, and the last entry would be around 0.618. And I'm going to increase my size as the price goes higher. Maybe a 15% of the order which I'm going to play, and then maybe another 25%, and the rest of the bag probably over here. And if we zoom in into this smaller structure here, I see a few ABC structure here. Let's draw it out, an ABC. So this is a flat correction here as an ABC. So this is a B move. This is a C. So already ended here, ABC correction towards the upside. And we might be having a 1-2-1-2 structure towards the downside. And that 1-2 should look like from here. This is 1, this is 2, this is your 1 more time, this is 2 one more time, and then we go 3, 4, 5, and then sweep this liquidity again around 4 and then 5, maybe even below. So for this we will have to wait and see what the chart, what the price action wants to do next. And also there can be another scenario here which is probably unlikely. And what I see here is an ABC structure. Let's make it white. Yes. And I was expecting more of a 1-2 structure here to 3, 4, 5 to go slightly higher. And then I can find a short order. But it looks like we have got that 1-2. But the price is again hitting this 0.236 level and turning back from that area. So that seems like more of a downward move is more probable at this time.
And that's the update for BTC, guys. Look out for those levels which I talked about in the video. And if the market doesn't give you this move and doesn't fill your limit orders, it will do it later. So just need to be patient and wait for those moves rather than front running the market. The market will always give you another opportunity to get into the trades and make some money. If you like this video, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.